Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Make sure your iPhone 15 Pro Max is unlocked and above 20% battery so it won't interrupt updates. Next, authenticate with Face ID or your current passcode to access security settings. This proves you own the device. Once done, open Settings and tap Face ID and passcode, or Touch ID and passcode if shown, because iOS centralizes lock controls there. This first step gets you straight into where iOS stores lock preferences, so you can change the passcode securely. You'll now change the passcode itself. Tap Change Passcode and enter your current code to confirm identity, which prevents unauthorized changes. Then choose a code type. Use custom alphanumeric for the strongest protection or custom numeric for convenience, because strength matters against guessing. Enter your new passcode, wait for iOS to prompt you to re-enter it, and confirm. Make sure to enable Face ID or Touch ID afterward if you want faster unlocks without weakening security. Once you've confirmed the new passcode, lock and unlock the phone to verify it works. This immediate check avoids being stranded. If iOS asks to update your Apple ID or iCloud credentials, do so to keep Keychain and Find My synchronized. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, use Account Recovery or restore the iPhone via Finder or iTunes on a trusted computer. Note this erases data unless you have a backup. Keep your passcode memorized and stored in a secure password manager.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.